In this video, I'll guide you through how to mute part of an audio clip in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're editing a podcast, a short film, or any kind of video project, there might be instances where you need to silence a portion of the audio track. Maybe there's an unwanted noise, or you simply want to emphasize a specific part of your project by reducing background audio. Whatever the reason, I'm here to show you how to do it quickly and efficiently. First things first, open up your project in DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the timeline where your audio clip is located. You'll want to identify the exact section of the audio you wish to mute. Precision is key here, so take your time listening to the clip to pinpoint the start and end of the portion you want to silence. Now, with the section identified, it's time to use the blade tool. You can find this tool on the toolbar, represented by an icon that looks like a razor blade. Alternatively, you can press the shortcut key B on your keyboard to activate it. Once the blade tool is active, carefully cut the audio clip at the start of the section you want muted. Then do the same at the end of that section. What you're essentially doing here is isolating the undesirable audio section from the rest of the clip, making it easier to apply changes without affecting the entire track. After you've made the cuts, switch back to the selection tool by pressing A on your keyboard or clicking the arrow icon in the toolbar. Now, click on the section you've just isolated. You should notice that it's highlighted, indicating that it's the active selection you're working with. With the unwanted audio section selected, direct your attention to the inspector panel. If you don't see the inspector on your screen, you can bring it up by clicking on the inspector button located in the upper right area of the interface. Once you're in the inspector, navigate to the audio tab. Here, you'll find various controls related to your audio clip. To mute the section, you'll need to set the volume to 0. You can do this by either typing 0 into the volume field or dragging the white volume line all the way down. This will effectively silence the selected portion without impacting the rest of the audio clip. Remember, if you ever need to unmute this section, you can simply return to the inspector and adjust the volume back to its original level or any other desired level. And that's it. You've successfully muted a portion of your audio clip in DaVinci Resolve. This simple yet powerful technique can be a lifesaver when you're looking to clean up your audio and make your project sound exactly the way you envision it. Hopefully, you found this guide helpful and can now confidently apply this method in your own projects. If you have any further questions or need additional tips on using DaVinci Resolve, feel free to explore more of our tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.